Omunyakirobo asensemo yokogeralichi kokurwa sensemo ya Southwest manyekanete buna Gideon Nyambatini kubonate bire buna abantu mbachikogerwa manga higoro yelichiko yaniga goche kerokeli hikeye togandrete guchengera higoro yokobo kwelichiko anasense ya Kenya omulikitonde mu Steven niga twaligane roboti urwo asenchira yobwikirano.
A wiki yobosemya bwelichiko Legal Awareness Week nigo yachaka benerero imebigambiro au imense ya Kenya. Gideon Nyambati omunyakirogo bwekiombe kyabayireri belichiko Law Society of Kenya LSK orosagirwa Southwest na chengero gochaka kwa muroberi oyuo.
Ekinendo chakorani ase chikaunti chito chikoti high court jire gati yitu gaisano Nyamira, Kisii, Migori, Omabay na Kilgoris as high court stations. So tuabekire ebi chitent ntobeka abana abawakiri n'abantu barabe bakobakonya asogo konya abantu bedo be community ondo bwensi ratwara mu cyando tuamurangiria chike n'abagokonya.
Legal awareness igotogo kwanera amangana ye ebina na image ndeliendons era society regarding buneko related as ebina na copyright court. So etokale koina na what we call free legal advice etorega between 24 ya chakalero back on Friday.
Imeye wiki ye ase bigambiro au ime Gusii niga abantu baranyorobosemya bwabosa na ugosangana abawakili apo barabaye obomanyibwa ime igorebina au abantu baragani ogosemigu.
So therefore we want to invite abantu bamento baregaiga moche munyale baso okonyorobosemya speak elinde munyale bakonyaka. You can even get some advocates igaiga munyale contact yabo elinde once kwa rule from this desk na wokwenda kwa mwakirisi mbadaye elinde mwagamba kunyara advice. It's purely free. Please jumwezi elinde tunyale konyana as a society.
Abaigererie bina nigo bakeire kwemero belibune yeiga okobeko bakonya goikange n'abantu na gosangamo.
At the end of the week on Friday we likely to visit the Manga Children's Home and the Kisii prison where we give legal services and also give some kind of gifts to kids who are accompanying their parents in Kisii women prison.
We recognize ourselves unachi heroes because they togo solve working things as a society. So therefore we chose this week we give back to the society. Konya abantu bantu bari bari ko na ande tigamba inyoringa gente kenkeli bosongoka. We are having it in Nyamira, we are having it in Keroka, we are having it in Ugembo, Rongonero, Omabay, Keanja, Migori, Chikoti Jones, within our region. We are giving free advice. Please come one, come all.
Koripoteri ya Ndizi TV, Elietariane, Ndemo Steven.